Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're joining me for the fourth video in our HTML tutorial series. Last time, we dived into the best online resources for learning HTML. Today, we're going to break down the basic structure of an HTML page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple HTML document from scratch. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. Doctype Declaration. First up, we've got the Doctype Declaration. This little line is like a magic spell that tells your browser, hey, I'm working with HTML5 here. The very first thing you'll put in your HTML document. Super simple, just one line at the top. HTML tag. Next, let's talk about the HTML tag. This tag is like the big envelope that wraps around all your content. It marks the start and end of your HTML document. Head tag. Inside the HTML tag, we've got the head section. This is where you'll tuck away meta information about your page, the title, character set, and links to style sheets or scripts. The Metacahrset UTF-8 tag tells the browser what character encoding you're using. The title tag sets the title of your page, which pops up in the browser tab. Body tag. And finally, we have the body tag. This is where all the magic happens. The content that people actually see, like text, images, and links, goes in here. So there you have it. That's the basic structure of an HTML page. In VS Code, if you type an exclamation mark and select it from the list, you'll automatically get this basic HTML structure set up for you. To wrap it up, we've covered the parts of an HTML document: Doctype Declaration, the HTML tag, the head section, and the body section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Catch you in the next video.